Royal Enfield prepares a new café racer with a 750 cubic centimeters engine, debut planned in the near future. After the news of the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 getting a 750 cubic centimeters engine upgrade, now comes new news that is no less interesting. A café racer based on a similar platform has just been spotted in the testing phase. This bike is expected to replace the current Continental GT 650. Like a classic café racer, the test bike features a sturdy Monza-style front fairing that stretches halfway up the fuel tank. The ergonomics look sporty thanks to the use of clip-on handlebars and foot pegs that are positioned further back. The design of the fuel tank and seat also looks different compared to the Interceptor 750, suggesting that this model is designed specifically for café racer styling. One other interesting detail is the rounded panel under the seat, similar to the design element on the newly launched Bear 650. On the technical front, the most noticeable improvement is the use of a dual disc brake at the front, providing better braking power compared to the single-disc system on the previous 650 series. The bike also sports alloy rims, probably 18 inches in size. For suspension, the test bike still relies on the traditional telescopic fork, while the upside-down suspension, USD, is likely to be prepared for premium 750 cubic centimeters models like the Himalayan 750 that was spotted last August. Speaking of the engine, the new model is expected to produce 5 to 7 brake horsepower more power than the current 648 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, which is capable of 47 brake horsepower and 52 Newton-meters of torque. With these improvements, the 750 cubic centimeters engine will offer a more powerful and aggressive performance. The Royal Enfield 750 cubic centimeters café racer is expected to launch in 2026 or 2027, most likely alongside the Interceptor 750. The presence of this model will add to the appeal of the Royal Enfield product line, especially for fans of modern retro motorcycles with a sporty touch. Are you ready to welcome the café racer revolution from Royal Enfield?